Hi, my name's Les Litwin. I'm the Technical Sales Director of Antrica. We're here at the DroneX show in London, and I just wanted to show you some of the products that we have on show. So, starting with this product here, this is a UAV encoder which interfaces with a Sony zoom block and some thermal cameras. So this is our 1776ZB. We've also got a universal product which allows you to connect HD SDI, HDMI and various other video interfaces onto a very small encoder that goes inside the drone. And then finally, we've got a complete boxed unit which allows you to connect HDMI and a composite video signal into a single unit for bolting onto a drone without any heat worries or enclosure concerns. Thanks very much, and hopefully if you're here, come and see us at the DroneX show in London.